Ohene na enro frɛ me a na ne bu afu no na ubu edifu na ubu difu because we have all failed ourselves. God, that man, I don't know. Adey
Kofi wo to me
na say ye de ye encourage ya say ye nto aba
but o kasa che no ofa so ofa
87.9
oba e wa frɛ okra say Kofi brade ye nto to adwo
da bi onye bi da
but what ready so o kasa so te
yes
da ben na asema wo kan o de ye fa de say bi ni na ye nsem hunu nti ya sasemba kokra nim ya sasemba kokra nim it's a deliberate thing say ono wa maso ba be adwuma ba be KMA and I say bi ba be the Kumasi ono buy for ono agasa the interest so of fulfilling the interest that is the reality of fulfilling the interest and apart from that Kofi dey biem some past that so obaye almost 2.5 years
yeah
then after we betimi do say subu akasa we na sampan and I'm more win.
Apart
from you got a year okoti why and no crown Kofi a one year questionable and this is at the party in Yape.
Or Timu saying
Kofi Kofi, I am telling you, the last time I KMA sanitation officers in Komo, he quoted a certain amount and it was so outrageous, very strange. Mepesa amount na media amount.
Akoma FM.
That is the only thing. Kofi no crown ye kasa breye. Ewo ye friend say why ki gata ni mu asa na our team. And esa kokko here gata no. Yes, human activities in asemfo ina a contributory factor. But the man is not even up to the task ahead of him. Our KMA boss, he's not up to the task ahead of him. Ni any man say, oh, Sampenya nkwada. Ni akutokuto no. Ni ehwohwa no. Nu watrebe bia ka so akomafo mpem asem. But Kofi senaka seriously senako ye leader ye kadini na ko be hu say ye hye ne den. Ye hye ne den.
87.9 Kumasi.
Because you not come here and encourage you say chichina ade no you are not doing it. Ni aka so koso ana ye ne be yi. No. So what is going on? Ofa Kumasi Kofi one said that they be a make us the same way. And then my season for doom see about this time. Pragiafo ni crew. Go and see a do for yourself. If you are kasa for the koko here do for yourself. Pragiafo ni crew mo. Koko here do for yourself. Koko here KJT for yourself.
No the other things will follow.
Kofi other things be.
Said you be
Kofi write myself here dey myself baby.
You be too afofo.
87.9.
Ogo too high.
You be too afofo.
And these people Kofi you be too omu. Oka so mukoko too omu. These same people want to have for so many years. So many years. And then I bet me ayo. Me akasa Saturday morning. Kofi very early on Saturday morning. Before say me ba ha no say, nobody can kwadum. Kofi it took me more than 40 minutes. Before say me free boss for manim ho akwa twa me ho akọ a friend say G runabout 40 minutes
yes
na braga ni kromo
na or more hank be a 60 minutes until there is no a guarantee. My point is that the man is failing, but we need to tell him
Kofi
he's
has
failing.
he failed or he's failing?
It's not so failing. So what failed there? What failed?
From
but who go so fail?
Okay, say last year what assessment no more year no. He was around 90 something. Local government. This time around
120 130
Why?
something.
235. 235. Yes.
Na no kra no aso omo huye mobo
Go be the catch no.
because all kotoso trend the crowd will not be surprised.
Go be the catch no.
Say chere say wabon.
Come on. I mean,
Chere say wabon.
and it's not like he's not getting the resources. So
Akoma FM 87.9.
Onya every single resource bia, and he is one of the only mayors of Ghana had Musaya. Otu kwai pa. Otu kwai bi onya excuse.
Otu kwan kra chen president. Sampai tu kwan chen
I'm
president.
telling you.
In fact, I'm going to count the number of Akontua Sampai too. If I'm not mistaken, Sampai tu kwan more than 72.
Ni nasu official.
Ni na yo aburuchire.
Ni nasu official.
Hey.
Eti dia no akwa dia ba, I impacted the lives of the good people of Kumasi. Dia no akwa ba, I impacted the lives of the good people of Kumasi. Dia pa no akwa fa ba. Dia the last I was say dustbins. papa better ha dwa na numu ka say wakọ dustbins ahodo e wo krom ha no mu say e no mba be ye hwan omo be separate no bottle de any waste de kofi ohu bi okrom
send there omgusu
kofi kofi wa se kofo abufu o wa hu bi okrom
omgusu
never baller bin never go sisi bia kofi omugusu for more than 2 months obetara enu busu mienu.
So therefore I want you to share your thoughts our sound producer